Once you fall in love with someone, I don't know if you can ever shake them.
You lift my heart up when
I save.
I like you. You know how to laugh.
You
find yourself drawn to me. You think about me even when you don't want to think about me. I bet you even dreamed about me.
Stay away from me. Can you make him forget?
This is what you want. I'll do it.
It's what I want. Can I trust you?
Yes.
Damon, you're so close. Don't give up.
I feel, Elena. Okay? And it sucks.
You and I, we have something. An understanding. Got under my skin, and no matter what I do, I just
got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so
I want this. You want this.
within your clutch. How do you
Truth is, ever since the first time I noticed you falling for my brother, I have been waiting for him to screw something up so badly that you hate him.
Stop loving me!
I can't!
And then every single time I think that he's gone too far, he's there for you.
Be honest. You like me better like this. This is who I am now. I love you, Damon.
So the truth is, after a while, I just stopped waiting for him to fail because I liked the person that he had become.